A lot to talk about as far as winter weather goes. At this time, we're just dealing with cold temperatures, which is why we have that weather impact alert day in place, mainly for this morning. Once we start to warm up a little bit, and I say warm up, we're really going to get into the 40s. We're going to be seeing those temps in the teens rise, but right now you need to make sure you have lots of layers. Cover your face, your hands, and your head. Those are three different places that you lose your body heat the fastest, and that's not what we want, especially with temperatures like this that cause a cold weather advisory, which is still with us until around 10 o'clock this morning. Take a look at those temperatures. Like I said, lots of teens. You have 19 in there in Sumter, St. Matthews 19 as well, Lexington 13, Newberry up in 18. It doesn't look like we're going to be getting out of these temperatures at least for the next 30 minutes. And the winds, luckily, are not playing a part in this. We're seeing winds below that 10-mile-per-hour mark, which means we don't have that much of a wind chill. The temperatures you're feeling are the temperatures that you're going to be seeing this morning. Taking a look at your satellite radar, this is for South Carolina. Everything's looking good. This looks so much better than what we were seeing over the weekend. I love seeing nothing on the radar, but I also like to see when we do get some rain when we need it. As far as going down into the Midlands, things are still looking great. We may see a couple of clouds in the sky, but mainly going to see clear skies. As you can see here, Columbia there sitting at 20 degrees. Going to see some clear skies. Same thing for Newberry as well as Sumner. Blue skies, and I missed seeing this, especially over the weekend when it just kind of felt dark, even though we had that ice. But today's forecast going to stay mostly sunny, around 46 degrees. Again, those temperatures, like I said, we're not going to be getting out of these teens until around the early morning hours of like 9, 10 o'clock. And then we get the 30s around 2, stay in those 30s as you head into the evening. So we're going to peak maybe in the 40s between 2 and 7 o'clock. 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock is our peak heating time. And so that's kind of where we're going to be sitting in those numbers. But your lows, a lot better than what we're seeing right now. You can see we're going to be in the 20s, and we're not going to see a wind chill here either. So even though these are really cold temperatures, they're going to feel a lot better than compared to this morning where we had the teens kind of sticking around. I want to show you what's going on this weekend. You've heard talk about a potential winter storm that's coming again that could bring some snows to the Carolinas. This is a look at both the Euro and the GFS model since we're not seeing anything for the rest of the week. However, the Euro model does bring in some snow happening early Saturday morning. So while you're sleeping, you may wake up to see some snow. But again, we're a little far out to really let you know exactly what we're seeing and how much. But the Euro model keeps it here through 10 o'clock. And then by the time you hit Saturday afternoon and evening, that has moved on off. The GFS, though, has a little bit of a different story. It starts that off Friday night. It could potentially bring in the rain first here for the southern part of the state, but then bring that winter weather down from the north here around 5 o'clock in the morning, kind of keeping it here with us, maintaining that snow level around 9 o'clock, and it stays all the way through the afternoon as I let it play through, and by the time you hit Saturday afternoon and evening, we're going to have lots of snow to cover, and that will continue through the nighttime hours. So the European model has it ending a little early. The GFS model leaves it around Saturday night into Sunday morning. But right now we are 7 to 10 days out. So we only recognize, okay, there's a pattern that we're watching right now. Until we get to the 1 to 3 days, we're not going to know the exact amounts. We're not going to know the exact timing of the hit. But right now we are seeing that there could potentially be that low pressure system that comes from the Gulf and is pushed down by high pressure up north. So we're watching it right now. That's all we're looking at. But we're letting you know, hey, we could see another weekend of winter weather. It's good to be prepared if you can. We may see some snow. There could be the potential for maybe a little bit of ice or sleet. But right now, it's looking like mainly snow. And hey, maybe we'll get to build a snowman this weekend. Aside from that, Tuesday morning, you can see we're going to be in that weather impact alert that will end up going away by lunchtime. We stay in the 40s, though, for the rest of the week until the weekend comes around. We could sit below freezing on Saturday, which makes a perfect little environment for us to see some snow showers. So